Varish Pathan, I want to begin by asking you, sir. Shri Ram idol Prana Pratishtha at the Jansthan is happening after court orders. Sir, isn't your leader, Barrister Asaduddin Owaisi, fear-mongering when he says we've lost one masjid, asking Muslims, don't they have pain in their hearts? Sir, why this provocation now?
Well, Asad Owaisi's speech was based on facts and reality. It was not a provocation or incitement. Now, Gaurav just in telling the people, the Muslim youth, that please go to mosque, pray azan, read Quran there. We have already lost one masjid. Kindly try to explore the other masjid, otherwise we will be left with nothing. This is incitement. If this is an incitement, informing the people, telling them to do this, we will do this every day. And is this not a fact, Gaurav, that on the 6th of December 1992, through a conspiracy hatched by those people, our Babri Masjid was demolished. Earlier, during the Congress regime, they said locks were open. Then they say Murti Prakat ho gayi. They filed an affidavit before the Supreme Court. But 6th December was the black day in the history of democracy of our great country. We will never forget this, and we are going to inform the generations who are coming that, see, they cheated us and our Babri Masjid is demolished. And as far as the Supreme Court verdict is concerned, see, I have a right to respectfully disagree with the order passed, and I say Supreme Court judgment is there, everybody has to accept it. Chief Justice of the Honorable Supreme Court X, Justice Verma has said Supreme Court is supreme but not infallible. And the judgment was based unanimously by the five judges.
So much water has flown down the Saryu after that.
There is no evidence to show
so much water
that
has
temple
flown down
was
the
demolished.
Saryu.
Allow me just 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Go on, sir.
The Supreme Court has unanimously had that there is no evidence to show that temple was destroyed and masjid was built. They also go ahead and say that the archaeological survey report cannot be taken into consideration, that no murtis were found. And they say the criminal act was committed on 6th of December. Criminal act was committed. The people who were tried for this committing the criminal act, they were scot-free. Why did the BJP not appeal against them? That is why we say we've been cheated once, and henceforth we have to be very careful. Now they are against our Shahi, that masjid in Delhi, Suneri Bagh Masjid in Delhi. They are against our Shahi Idgah. They are against the other masjid, Mathura, Kashi. So where are we heading for? We want a simple question from the BJP spokesperson. Does Modi go along with the places of worship Act 1991? Or he says, no, we will not respect to that.
Fair enough, sir. You've raised some very pertinent points on Mathura and Kashi. Let me take that to Tuhin Sinha of the BJP. Tuhin Sinha, listen to the statement of Union Minister Giriraj Singh when he says, Ayodhya to sirf jhanki hai. And he's no longer saying, Mathura, Kashi, baki hai. He's saying, abhi bahut kuch baki hai. What is bahut kuch, sir? That is the fear that Asaduddin Owaisi and Varish Pathan have in their hearts today.
गुड इवनिंग गौरव जी, गुड इवनिंग एवरीबॉडी. बहुत कुछ बाकी है, मतलब कि आर्टिकल 370 हो गया, हटा दिया गया. राम मंदिर जो है वो बनने जा रहा है, सीए के रूल्स आ रहे हैं. सो अ लॉट ऑफ सिमिलर थिंग्स वुड हैपन. As far as the party is concerned, as far as the government is concerned, it is not involved with the Kashi temple or with the Mathura temple. So I think, the fear-mongering or the outrage-mongering that AIMIM is carrying out is a part of the indoctrination that they carry out in their small clusters. And, their spokesperson has revealed that indoctrination on your channel. Asaduddin Owaisi primarily represents the Hamas mindset in India. Fact is that after 495 years, after a due and diligent process of law in 2019, a judgment was given by the Supreme Court in favor of the Ram Mandir construction. And this was corroborated way earlier in 2003 by an archaeological survey of India report, which had corroborated the existence of a Hindu structure before the construction of the mosque. So what is, agar ye इस बात को नहीं भूल सकते हैं 6 दिसंबर को, तो 40,000 मंदिरें जो गिराई गई हैं 400 सालों में, हम उसको कब तक याद रखेंगे? कहीं ना कहीं इनको आगे बढ़ना पड़ेगा. Fact is that, these people don't have any respect for the judiciary. They don't have any respect for democracy. They are still in a cluster where they think they can challenge the notions of a modern nation state, which is what they do in front of their constituents every day. 3 महीने बाद नवंबर 2019 में जजमेंट आया था। 3 महीने बाद वारिस पठान ही एक खुले मंच से धमकी दे रहे थे कि 15% जो आबादी है वो जब 85% पर हावी होगी तब आप लोग देखेंगे देश में क्या होगा। सो दिस इज द मेंटालिटी दे हैव।
Varis Pathan, you want to quickly respond since a direct point was raised before I come to my other guests. Varis Pathan, Giriraj Singh of the BJP, Union Minister Giriraj Singh says, Jinnah chale gaye, but it's Asaduddin Owaisi who's taking that Jinnah mindset forward. That othering the Muslims, the allegation is your party is doing it, sir.
Well, the BJP or for Giriraj Singh, they cannot have a peaceful night's sleep or they cannot digest their food without taking the name of Pakistan or Jinnah. They love Pakistan and Jinnah so much that every day they take their name. Now, let me remind you, the statements made by the cabinet minister Giriraj Singh, is it not incitement? Is it not provocation? That ek ho gaya, Kashi, Mathura और सब बाकी है. Is this not an incitement and provocation? Should he not be charged for that? And I want to ask a simple question. Why Prime Minister Modi is silent? Does he endorse the statement made by Union Cabinet Minister saying that no, abhi और बाकी है? That is why I said, what about the places of worship? Not only that, Devendra Fadnavis, the Home Minister of Maharashtra, is saying that I was present there when the mosque was demolished and he is praising that. Is this not incitement? Why is he not charged for? Let him go to the court and say that yes, I was present and I was the one who demolished the mosque. He will get the answer from that. Not only that, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Eknath Shinde, is making a statement saying that jo dargah hai, years back, that dargah ko bhi ab hata denge. So are this not provocations or incitements given by the BJP leaders?
Okay.
And Modi should come forward and make a clear-cut statement that, oh, okay, we follow the places of worship in 1991 and we don't endorse such kind of statement being made by the BJP leaders. Otherwise, they are trying to create a communal disturbance in the country. They want to create a communal disharmony.
Let me bring in Sanjay Jha and I'll come to the Maharashtra
election
incident in just a
2024.
moment.
They are trying to polarize the situation.
Okay.